Okay, here's another lesson for you, and another ah. Just like EA is ah, normally, at least at the beginning of words, AI is also ah. Okay? Now, there's a few more complications with this one, but I'm sure. Time or weather. So, we got a cool phrase. Rave Ashnish. There's an AI Ashnish. Na Hampshire. Feminine noun, Hampshire, on Hampshire. The prediction or the beforehand information of the weather. In other words, the weather report. Rave Ashnish na Hampshire. AI Ashnish. Fashnish is AI. Okay? Mar. Live. Mar a chapel. Live, horse. Agus yoi too fair. A chapel has an AI in it, and it's not pronounced this way, though. This is again a case where it's the weak syllable, it's an ending, it's not the beginning, it's not the stressed syllable. So that's why the rule doesn't really apply. Otherwise it's ah. Some other examples. Arrogant, money or silver. This has a little schwa in the middle too, between the R and the G. Arrogant. Fara, watching out or watching. Fara, Ada, just watch out. Ada, same thing. We have other words though that don't follow quite the rule. There's a little bit of variation with this one. So we have the word kayak, witch or hag, an old woman. Kayak. Now the double L here I think is what I gives that more of an I kind of a flavor. It's not the usual way. Same thing kind of happens with kaijan, standard or the standard if unkaijan. So this AIGH with the E after it, or even without the E, it sort of acts like the E's after it. That becomes the I diphthong with the GH there. So that one happens a couple of words. And also, again, on the weak syllable, you get something like tassahe, started. It's for the sake of the ending, this I is here. It's not really part of this, and it's a weak syllable, so you don't hear this AI as a. Only really the beginning and the stressed syllable. Another one that's a little bit of an exception, It's not really ad, it's It's more like the same as we pronounce Close, with the broad R, slender R. And then Gama. Now this one varies quite a bit between dialects. Gama, Gamai, but it's not Gama generally. Why? Not really sure about that one. Maybe it's the ITH. My, Gama, not Gama. Would be understood, not normally how I hear it or say it. Gamajin, Majin, not Magin. Another one, a little different than you would expect. Until the morning. Ermajin, in the morning. Majin, but that's not Magin. It would be understood as Magin, but not usually said that way. So there are a couple of varieties to this guy, but as a general rule, if you're not sure of it, if you don't know the word AI. Okay, so study that one, and we'll move on after that.